Shelly Hopkins here. Hey guys, I have a video for you that's going to tell you about 5 things that is going to help you succeed and thrive in affiliate marketing in 2019. Right after this. Shelly Hopkins. Okay. I am going to tell you the 5 things, and you can see them right there, but I'm going to explain. The truth about how you can succeed in affiliate marketing in 2019. And do me a favor, if you are into online marketing, affiliate marketing, or mindset, subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see more, just hit the ring-a-ding bell. And if you get anything out of this video, I appreciate a like. Okay, let's get started. Okay, there's 5 things. I always want to remember something, so I put them in color. So right away, traffic that actually converts. Okay, that's number 1. And I would say you're starting off to pick a platform. Facebook, Google Ads, whatever is your thing. LinkedIn, I don't know. And get good with it. Stick with that traffic. And then once you're succeeding and you're doing really good, then move on to the next one. Okay? Simple. 2, a funnel that converts. There's several different softwares out there. I use ClickFunnels. There's also Builderall. But you have to have a funnel. You have to have a funnel. I was just explaining this today to somebody. And I said a funnel that converts. It has to be good. Double check it with someone else that is a fellow person of ClickFunnels, for example, and have them look at it. It's what I do, just to double check that it's good. Okay, I put funnel steps because, I just pulled this up. It's the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's the one that if you sign up for the One Funnel Away, they give it to you. This is that funnel. But it's perfect. It's perfect for anything, whether you're doing e-commerce, affiliate marketing, selling anything online. It's great. If you want a copy of it too, just let me know and I can send it to you as well. But you have to understand that you have your squeeze page. Get your email in. Let's make some money off the back end. You have your sales page, order form. You don't always need all of this, but the point of the steps, I just wanted to let you know, it's just that you have to have your email. I'm not going to get all into it because that's not what the video is about. But you have to have an upfront offer, okay? This is going to be our upfront offer. Then you have to make it up with like an upsell on the back end. For example, there's a program that I promote that I say is the #1 program to promote, and they end up, I send them to their page and they do all the work and promote higher end products. And if you put something, an upsell or something like that for with another program, that covers the money that you pay for ads and everything. Okay? Just wanted to explain that to you. So that's what I mean when I say the funnel steps. 4, autoresponder. You have to have an autoresponder so you can collect the emails. And you can tie your autoresponder in with your funnel. If you don't know how to do that, reach out to me. I can teach you. But you want your emails so you can sell and get them to know you by sending them emails on the back end. Okay? And number 5, I have take action, because you would not believe the people that get into this do not take action. So Actually do it. Remember, 5 is blue. While you're working, think to yourself, okay, I have to do blue. I have to do it. You're not going to make any money or succeed by doing nothing, okay? So there are 5 simple steps, okay, that you wouldn't think would be so easy, but it actually is. Once you do it, you just have to do it, okay? Do me a favor. If you got anything out of this, give the video a like. I'll have that program that I was telling you about will be my #1 recommendation in the bottom. So you might want to check it out. It's amazingly awesome and like $7 to start. And it also teaches you a whole bunch of stuff that has to do with affiliate marketing and online marketing. But anyways, if you like my channel and you think you'd like to see more stuff like this, do me a favor and subscribe. And again, do the bell to make sure that you for sure are getting everything. So, Shelly, I hope you got a lot of this. Thanks, guys.